My dear friends, such a nice, great day. എല്ലാവരും എപ്പിടിക്കിങ്ക സാപ്പിട്ടീங்களா நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. So, God, a sunny day. Day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. This is our garden today. Acha. I just want to show this. Happy day, my dear friends. A day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. These creepers have grown over the lemon tree. They attract the birds and all that, but they have to allow the lemon tree to grow. This is the hibiscus. Vellare, we have rose, canna plant, turmeric, lily, some other ornamental flowering plants, deeply, another rose over here, money plant, beetle pash, vellare pash. After rain grows well, we need to groom it, we need to prune it. This is good for diabetes actually. You can eat these leaves, little leaves, and these are hibiscus. We need to clean our garden. Some more hibiscus over here. I have to do this tidying up daily. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 hibiscus I could see. They're hidden behind the green leaves. Mango, neem, coconut. Happy day, my dear friends. Curry leaves and sitapal or custard apple and jackfruit trees. Some tulsi plants over here. Happy day.